Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Elara Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Elara Workday and then click on enter. Now find this link, which is of myworkdayjobs.com. Click on this link. After clicking on that link, you will be redirected to another page which is of Elara Caring. Now at the top right corner you will see sign in option. Click on the sign in option. Now enter your email address and password. After that, click on sign in button to log into your Elara Workday account. You can also click on this link to create new Elara Workday account, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get your new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.